Beyond the Rig. Smart investments for truck drivers in 2025. 2025 is a different game, truckers. Prices are up, freight rates are down, and if you're just stacking miles and hoping for the best, your money's getting eaten alive by inflation. Today we're going beyond the rig. I'm breaking down the smartest, safest ways to invest your trucker paycheck this year. No Wall Street jargon, no hype, just simple moves you can make right now to build real wealth, even while you're running loads cross country. Here's the truth. 2025 isn't 2015. Freight rates are tighter, diesel is higher, and the dollar buys less than it used to. That means just parking money in a savings account isn't enough. It's literally shrinking every year. If you want to actually get ahead, retire sooner, work fewer miles, you've got to put your cash where it grows faster than inflation. Don't worry, this isn't about stock picking or watching charts all day. I'm going to show you how to make this automatic, even from the cab. Before you invest a dime, make sure your money foundation is solid. Park at least $1,000 for quick hits like breakdowns or surprise bills, and then build that up to 3 months of expenses. High yield savings account. Make sure that emergency cash is earning interest. The best online accounts in 2025 pay 4 to 5%. Completely safe, no risk, 4 to 5% every year. This step keeps you from having to whip out credit cards or take out loans when life happens. Once the safety net is set, here's where the magic begins. We automate your investing. 401k or solo 401k. If you're a company driver, contribute enough to get the match. If you're the net owner op, a solo 401k or SEP IRA lets you put away big money pre-tax, sometimes over $50,000 a year. Roth IRAs are my personal favorite. You pay the tax now, it grows tax-free forever. Perfect for the drivers who expect to be in a higher tax bracket later. There's also index funds and ETFs. Stop trying to master investing. Just let them pick the winners for you. They pick everything, the whole market. Something like VTI or the S&P 500 ETFs. They're much safer. You're diversified automatically. They've already picked the best stocks. Historically, 7 to 10% returns. I wish I would have invested in the S&P 500 20 years ago. I'd be a millionaire now. Don't waste time trying to pick individual stocks unless it's with your extra money and you want to have one or two just for fun. Put most of your money in index funds and ETFs, and then you don't have to worry. It's going to go up and down. You can ignore it. It'll balance out in the end, and it's always come back. Always. Automate it. $100 a week, same day every week. No excuses. Make sure that $100 a week goes to your investments. The market goes up and down, but your account keeps buying shares like clockwork. Your cost averaging when you buy every week. When it's low, when the market is down, you'll get extra shares. When the market's up, you get less shares, and it's growing. It can easily grow to 6 figures over 20 years. Just $100 a week, $400 a month. Do it, it's worth it. This is where you can get a little fancy, but stay safe. The safe, smart money plays are dividend ETFs. They pay you every quarter. They're great for creating cash flow when you need it in the future. REITs. These are real estate investment trusts. They pay really good interest and dividends. You own the real estate without messing with toilets, no fixing repairs, or tenant problems. It's a good hedge against inflation because real estate has always gone up over the years. You put your money in and you have a piece of all their real estate. high paying dividends occasionally, most of the time. Right now they're low because real estate is in the toilet, but it is going to come back. If things crash totally, the REITs have the money to pick up all those properties super cheap. There's never enough housing, so prices will always continue to go up. Here's another one, treasury bonds, T-bills. You can buy those right from the U.S. government at treasury.gov, I believe. I have over $20,000 in there, earning 4 to 5% with zero risk. You can lock in a really good interest rate right now. It's worth putting that money in there. It's locked up for 10 years, but you're earning interest the whole time. One more thing to worry about: if you have a stock brokerage account, make sure the cash is in a money-paying, interest-paying account. They'll let you leave all your cash in there just sitting there earning nothing. You have to ask them to sweep it into the sweep account. Many are paying 4% just for your cash. That's better than leaving it sitting around earning nothing. If you're running your own truck, you've got more levers to pull. You can deduct your fuel, repairs, per diem, and then invest your tax savings every year. Use business credit strategically, not recklessly, to free up cash for investing. Invest in maintenance. That's going to save you money long term. Get the better tires. They're more fuel efficient. They'll last longer. Have an APU so you save on fuel bills. Do your preventative service before a breakdown. You don't want to be stuck on the side of the road for 5 hours. That is no fun. Avoid the 2025 money traps. Here's where most drivers blow it. They chase crypto tips they heard on TikTok. They finance toys and super expensive pickup trucks with sky-high interest rates. They eat out at the truck stop instead of meal prepping and saving. You can save $200 a week by not eating every meal at a truck stop or a restaurant. Get a refrigerator in your truck, stock it up before your trip. That will save you hundreds of dollars, thousands over the year. You don't have to be perfect. You can still eat occasionally out. But every dollar you save is money you can invest later. You don't have to be perfect, but try to avoid the landmines and keep your money compounding for you. It's a snowball effect. Every dollar you invest, every dividend you earn, increases your net worth, and you earn interest on the interest you already earned. It snowballs. Up, up, up. That's why you invest. Not to get rich overnight, but to buy back your freedom mile by mile. Make your driving pay off. Imagine this. It's 2040. You're not grinding 70-hour works anymore. Work weeks. Your investments are paying you. Your house is closer to paid off. You'll have the investments to pay off that house and never pay interest again. You pick your loads because you want to drive, not because you have to. If this video gave you some ideas, smash that like button. And if you want me to make a step-by-step walkthrough of exact investing apps and accounts I use in 2025, drop a comment below that says Beyond the Rig, and I'll make that video. Stay safe, keep rolling, and keep saving and investing. Make sure your money works as hard as you do. Passive dividend investing is another money income stream that keeps coming in even when you're sick or hurt. It's worth doing. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.